Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight.
Hello everybody and welcome to this video. Okay, so I had a lot of fun doing the other bad makeup tutorial that y'all saw not too long ago. So I thought I'd do another one because it was fun. So it's getting closer to Halloween, so I've been trying different like makeup things to do for Halloween. Even though I really don't do anything for Halloween, it's still fun to just do something fun, I guess. I don't know. What does my channel come to? Oh god. Anyways, I'm gonna try this skull thing. I don't know. But I already did like my eyeballs ahead of time because I know y'all don't want to watch me fail at that. And it took forever. Literally. It took forever just to do this. Oh, I don't do makeup at all. Yay. I'm gonna be trying this skull thing that I saw on YouTube's, and I'm just gonna put my own little twist on it to make it my own. It was like a rainbowy type thing, but I'm just gonna do blue. So let's get into this. Like last time, I have the mirror like right down here, right on here. So I'll be like looking down. I'm not really just ignoring you guys. I promise. I'm just looking down at my mirror. We're gonna put my bangs back because I want to look scarier than what I already do. Spoopy already. First, I'm gonna white out my eyeballs. I can speak. God. First, I'm gonna white out my eyebrows and make them kind of blue. Today, we're gonna be using this palette from Laura Lee Party Animal. I'm gonna be using Hard Candy's glitter because I like to sparkle, and my Urban Decay Vice palette. It's pretty. Also, I'm gonna be using just some Halloween makeup. Isn't that a look? Wow, wow. Gotta let it dry. Is this how they do it? Oh god. And then I'm gonna be putting a lighter blue on it from my thing. I'm gonna do the thing. I'm using this palette, and I'm going to, oh god, open up and stay open, please. I'm going to be using this shade on my brows. This feels weird. This one called the Hungover. It's like a purpley. I don't know. And then I'm going to outline the bottom and the corner of it. What do I do with my liner? Frick! Well, this kind of is starting to look like a thing already. Yay! God, I fricked it up already. That's all right. We're just gonna let it go. We're just gonna let this go. I'm going to, right here, do like just a little teeny weeny bit of shading. Oh god. And kind of put it all up there and stuff. I don't know. This is looking like a thing. Oh boy. Oh boy. And then blend. Okay. We got this so far. I could just go like this. What do you think? Oh boy. Oh boy. That's the phrase of the day. Oh boy. And then like you're supposed to use like a white pencil. I don't have white. I got everything but white. So I'm gonna be using this color since I'm pretty much gonna be using blue anyway. Black, blue, and oh god. My nose is. So I'm just gonna draw on my face with this. Woo! Let's do this. I don't know. I'm gonna be a lopsided skull. Story of my life. This is great. And you're gonna shade more shading, I guess. This one. Right there. Right there. It just looks like I just put lines on my face. I hope this really does turn out into something. I don't know. Okay. I gotta do teeth. Does it look like teeth yet? Yay. I gotta put my toothers on. I know. It looks like a disaster, but I promise it's going to be better. Okay, so then I got this. Kinda. I don't know. I'm going to shade this in blue. So, I got this. I think. And then I'm gonna outline the teeth. Yeah, that's what I gotta do. Outline the teeth. I did this. Did some outline, put some black on the inside of the lips, and then I'm gonna put some glitters on the teethers too, so that we got a sparkle. Today we got a sparkle. Remember, we got sparkle. Sparkles. I filled it with some glitter. You can't really tell. I don't know. And then I went ahead and did lines up here and here. Then we're gonna fill in this part. Then I'm gonna do the outline with a little bit of a white shade. So I did a little bit on both sides. I ended up using white paint because I just didn't have the right kind of white shadow for it. Then I'm gonna do my nose. I'm going to put some black powder over it so it's not shiny. I don't want a shiny nose. Nobody likes a shiny nose. And then I just want to put some sparkles on my face because why not? Who doesn't want sparkles on their face? Alright, so I got this part done, and now I'm gonna go. I have a wig and I have flowers. I'm gonna go put it in my hair, and I'll be back to show you the finished look. I hope it looks okay. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the finished look. Not too bad. I got this wig at Walmart for like $4, so it's like whatever. And I got flowers here at Walmart. I put on a few more sparkles too, just because I want to sparkle more. Who doesn't want to sparkle more? I want to sparkle. Anyways, well, I hope you like this video. I know it's another one. Jeez, I might do one more because I have another idea. I love whenever I have ideas. So exciting. All right, but I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you never want to see any kind of video like this ever again, because it's horrible, give it a like. And if you want to see more quality content like this one right here, hit that subscribe button right in the face. I would love it if you did. I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Love you, bye.